Hey guys, Justin here from Lauxes Grates. I'm excited to introduce you to the new retrofit stormwater range. These grates are a replacement top for your existing stormwater grates at home and will suit any stormwater grate as long as it is 128mm wide. They come as a tiled insert top, only available in midnight black and also in an NXT style, which come in both silver and black. Both are UV stable with a 25-year warranty against fading, making them suitable and durable for outdoor use in the harsh Australian sun. These grates have been engineered to make them suitable for loads of over 10 tonne and can be driven over, no problem. They'll be available in lengths of up to 5.6 metres long as a top tray only and can be easily customised on site. At this stage, we won't be selling the base, but stay tuned. For more information, visit lauxesgrates.com.au. Thanks guys.